dear students, today we will learn to change the desktop background and wallpaper of our computer system. So to do this task we need to follow few steps, okay? So our first step is click anywhere on the desktop with the right mouse button and you will see a menu appear. Okay, so when you will right click on the desktop window, you will see this menu appear, okay? This menu. Then next is click on personalize with your left mouse button to see a window appear. Then you will click on this personalize button and a new window will appear. Then this window will open. Okay. Select a theme from the available list. A theme sets not only your desktop background but also a screensaver, the color of window, sound and mouse pointer. Okay. Then when you will see various kind of themes into this window, the new window which is appeared on the screen, you can see various kinds of themes over here. Okay, so you can choose any of the themes from here. Or step 4 is to set background wallpaper. Select desktop background from the bottom list. The default is called Harmony. So you will see the desktop background option here at the bottom. Okay, so you can click on this desktop background option and can change your desktop background. Okay, so the next step is you can select a picture from the ones available by clicking on it with your left mouse button. Your desktop background will change. To make the change permanent, click the save change button. So when you will click on the desktop at the bottom of previous window, now the new window will open, and which is this one. This window will open into our computer systems. Okay, and you can select any of the picture which is given here. You can just click on the picture and you will then click on here save changes option. Okay, when you will click on save changes, your desktop background will be changed. Step 6, select more than one picture to create a slideshow. Select the image you want to appear on the desktop from those available pictures, and there are 6 pictures on this window. Okay, you can choose more than one picture to create a slideshow. Slideshow means the pictures will change one by one. Okay, so you can also create the slideshow by choosing more than one pictures. Step 7, from the change picture every drop down list and select the duration for slideshow. Then you can change the duration. There is a drop down list and you can find this drop down list here. Okay, when you will click on this drop down list, this window will appear and you can change the duration of the slideshow. Means a picture will set for a minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, so you can change the duration. Step 8, click the black arrow in picture position to see a drop down list. Select each one in turn and watch the live result on screen. Click on the save changes and you will be taken back to the first screen. Then you will click on the save change and you will be taken back to the first screen. So these are the steps that you need to follow to change the desktop background and picture of your computer system. Okay, students, take care. That's all for today. God bless you all.